How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review a new pair of earbuds that I got. So these are just like the earbuds Fire Future and also the Apple AirPods. So there's actually a few reasons why you should get these over the earbuds Fire Future. But first off, let's just start from the size. So these are the smallest of these dockable earbuds that I've got. So they're really small, and also they're really light. Now, unlike the others that I've got, such as the earbuds Fire Future, these actually have a touch button instead of a physical button on the side. Now, as you can see, judging by the shape of these, they're not as comfortable as something like the earbuds Fire Future or the others, but they're not bad because they are really light, and that makes them quite comfortable to wear. Now, battery life on these is about 3 to 4 hours, and you can put them in the dock to charge about 5 times or something. So overall, really good. They're built out of plastic, and even the dock is kind of got a rubbery texture on. The LED indicator on the dock is actually on the outside rather than being on the inside, and there's only one LED, so that's a bit different. I'm guessing that's what they did to cut down on the price. Now, in terms of the sound, these sound just as good as the earbuds Fire Future. You know, they're really spacious, and they have a bit more bass. Well, I guess you can say they're a little warm, and the highs are actually pretty nice as well for the Bluetooth devices. And you can connect these with pretty much anything because they are Bluetooth 5, and the range is pretty good as well. Now, why should you get these over like something the earbuds Fire Future? Well, actually the answer is pretty easy, and that's the price. These only cost £20, which is really good, and it's a lot more cheaper than the earbuds Fire Future, which I think costs like £50. So pretty nice. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go pick them up. Definitely check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll answer them. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.